When faced with a massive, complex dataset, we need a way to find a single representative value. We have to collapse that noise into one central point. This process is called finding the central tendency. Early statisticians like Ewell and Kendall realized that raw data in its natural state is chaotic and confusing to analyze. They developed these specific tools to cut through the numerical clutter. They determined that an ideal average must meet a few strict criteria. It needs to be easy to understand, it must be rigidly defined by mathematics, so anyone calculating it gets the exact same answer, and it has to accurately summarize the entire dataset. Central tendency provides the foundational logic needed to begin condensing disorganized information into a workable summary. The mean formula divides the sum of your observations by the total number of observations. For 5 plants measuring 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28 centimeters, we add those heights to get 120, then divide by 5. That gives a final mean of 24. The mean provides a straightforward baseline, but its accuracy requires data without extreme highs or lows. When data is skewed, use the median, the exact middle value splitting a dataset perfectly in half. Consider a row of bacterial colonies, where one has grown into a massive anomaly. These extreme values are called outliers. If we use the mean here, that single giant colony pulls the average far off-center. The median stays anchored right in the middle. Arrange your data in ascending order. With an odd number of items, identify the middle position. Here, 25.6 is our median. If we add a 6th value to make the set even, calculate the average of the 2 middle terms to find the new median. The median is a mathematical shield, ignoring extreme anomalies to preserve a representative center. Our third measure is the mode. It's simply the value occurring most frequently in your dataset. For grouped distributions, use this formula. Assign lower limit L to 40, class size H to 10, highest frequency F1 to 16, and adjacent frequencies 12 and 10. The fraction simplifies to 4 over 10. Multiply by 10, add 40, making the final mode 44. Even intimidating algebra formulas are just logical sequences of basic arithmetic once variables are organized. Can the mean, median, and mode be used interchangeably in the real world? This chart compares symmetrical data against skewed data. On the left, all 3 measures align perfectly, but on the right, applying the mean to data with huge outliers drags the average far from the peak, creating a summary that misrepresents the actual distribution of the values. This gives us a definitive decision matrix. Use the mean for normal data, trust the median for skewed data with extreme values, and rely on the mode for qualitative or nominal traits. Practice these equations and apply the correct metrics to your own problem sets. If this step-by-step breakdown helped you master these concepts, subscribe to the channel. Selecting the right measure ensures that your summary accurately reflects the specific distribution of the numbers you are analyzing.